Okay guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we got an update of my Dell Inspiron 2320. We got it working. What I did is we replaced the hard drive. I don't think if it's not repairable, so I'll just use it for parts. But we replaced the hard drive on this Dell computer right here. Oh, my air conditioner kicked off. We replaced the hard drive on this Dell right here. It's because I don't think if the arm is repairable. So I put another hard drive in here. So other than that, we got the hard drive replaced on this Dell, and yeah, everything seems to be ready to go. Still no big screen, but if you guys are wondering why we have the monitor hooked up, it's because if you guys complain in the comments why that I hook up my monitor, it's because I'm gonna tell you, it's because the screen, the big screen that's built into it, does not work. After I swapped out the motherboard, I don't know, it could be there's a problem with the connectivity of the, but it's not a motherboard issue. It's because I just swapped out the motherboard. So, but I think it's probably something to do with the connector, the connection that connects your screen to the motherboard. I tried reseating that plug connector, but unfortunately that didn't work. I tried reseating everything on this computer, but unfortunately it didn't work. So I think it's probably something to do with number one, probably that there's something to do with a connection, or number two, there's probably something to do with the LCD screen, which is this big piece right here, this little part right here, the screen. All right, this screen right here is what you call it. So, all right, y'all. Guess we got the monitor hooked up. It's because that screen is not working. The built-in screen is not working. I tried reseating everything, but unfortunately it didn't help. So, if you guys wondering why the monitor is at the weighted angle, so it's because of the adjustment. If you click auto adjust, it will help you fix the problem, but I'm not going to focus on that. But here it's making some noises. If you guys wondering, it's working good. I can tell just by listening to it. Let's listen to that hard drive again. Here it's spinning. The hard drive is right here. You guys wondering, where the hard drive is, it's on this side, right by the optical drive. So, it's making some noises a little bit, but not much. Hear it? Hear it? Fans are running, pulling up nice and warm. It's not hot, which is a good thing. So, alright, y'all. Oh, sorry, that's thunder in the background. Oh, by the way, guys, the optical drive and does not burn CDs. I tested that, and it's worked. It didn't work before, but now it's giving me like an error that says cannot complete the burning. It's because it can't burn the files, wait for the task, or check the drive that's working properly. So, guys wondering, that's why we got those external drives connected, so, or burning. So, I'm probably going to do a rebuild on this drive, or what you call it. Alright, y'all. Yes, that will be it for this video. hope you guys enjoyed this update video of this computer. If you haven't watched one of my other videos, such as how to replace your CD-ROM drive, or the CD-ROM drive, which is this unit right here. So, alright, y'all. Y'all have a good weekend, everybody. Once again, work hard, folks, and save you some money. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Once again, work hard and save money. Let's listen to the hard drive one last time. Sounds really good. So, alright, y'all. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video of this Dell Inspiron 12320 update that we replaced the hard drive, and yeah, everything seems to be ready to go. So, alright, y'all. This is Bearcat William Scully, over and out. Subscribe and don't forget to like. Goodbye, folks.